Hello, everyone. I'm Ben Feuerstein, the head of innovation at Arcadia. Thank you all for joining the Snapchat team at LensFest 2023. We're excited to share our latest AR technologies and tools so that you can continue to advance what's possible on our platform. Arcadia is Snapchat's AR creative and innovation studio that partners with brands to build industry-leading AR experiences for their customers. Our goal is to build lighthouse experiences, technologies, and templates that increase demand for AR across the entire ecosystem. Through our work, we've had the opportunity to collaborate with and learn from world-class brands. Today, I'd like to share our learnings with you in order to help you pitch and develop lasting relationships with brands of your own. With that in mind, I'll help you answer 4 frequent questions that come up with partners, and then share our core principles for maintaining world-class AR partnerships. Let's start with the 4 questions that most partners have when they start to engage with us. First, what is AR? Second, why should I use AR? Third, how is AR being used today? And fourth, how do I get started? Before you dive into the value of AR, it's important to help partners understand what augmented reality is and how it fits into the extended reality spectrum. As extended reality technology becomes more commonplace, some of the names and technical terms can be hard to keep straight. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality accomplish 3 different things. While VR replaces your field of view, AR weaves computing seamlessly into the world around you. The 2 technologies offer different tools for different use cases. At its best, AR should enhance the reality you live in rather than distract you from it. It should meet you where you are and make everyday experiences more expressive, imaginative, and immersive. Most importantly, it should put you at the center of the experience. Next, we need to ensure that AR feels relevant for partners and help them understand why they should care. With 250 million engaging engaging with AR on Snapchat daily, AR is an incredible way to connect with your community at scale. It's estimated that by 2025, around 75% of people across the globe and nearly everyone with a smartphone will be frequent AR users. But scale is far from the whole value story. AR is an interactive, engaging, and contextually relevant format. It captures attention and awareness and drives business results on behalf of partners. One of the best ways to help partners understand the value of AR is to show examples of how it's being used today. While playfulness and self-expression will always be part of the AR story, we like to show how AR is transforming a variety of industries by solving unique problems. It helps a partner expand their understanding of what AR can do. Typically, we show past work that we have done, and we speak to these examples by teeing up the problem that a brand or industry was facing, identifying how AR solved for that problem, and demonstrating visually how that experience came to life. Let me show you what I mean across 3 diverse industries: live music, beauty, and consumer goods. First, let's talk about music festivals. If you've been to one, you know it's a lot of fun, but a surprising amount of time is taken up by finding your way around, tracking down your friends, and figuring out when you need to be at the next stage. These were the challenges that Live Nation came to us with last year. To help in these moments, we developed the AR Compass, an interactive 3D AR map of the festival grounds that enabled festival goers to navigate to stages and other points of interest with a heads-up display. We incorporated real-time schedules so you knew who was playing when, and we developed an innovative AR wayfinding tool for locating your lost friends in the crowd. Next, let's take a look at a beauty example. Makeup plays a significant role in self-expression, but when your sense of self is evolving at lightning speed, it's challenging to find services and products to support your journey. This was the problem NYX challenged us to solve. To do so, we developed the NYX Beauty Bestie, a pocket-sized AR beauty assistant fueled by a combination of NYX's professional makeup artistry and Snap's augmented reality and machine learning technology. In this experience, AR looks created exclusively by NYX professional makeup artists are recommended based on your aesthetic, mood, and color palettes. It transforms your daily beauty routine into an effortless self-expression platform. Finally, an example from the world of consumer goods. Vending machines are a part of the fabric of our everyday lives. For a brand like Coca-Cola, they represent an enormous untapped opportunity to engage consumers in a new way. To bring a little bit more real magic to the world, Coca-Cola challenged us to transform the vending machine from a transactional experience into an experiential one. To do that, we integrated the best of Snap AR into the machines using Camera Kit. The machine used an AR-powered interface controlled by gesture interaction that put the consumer at the center of the experience. So now you can do more than order a Coke on vending machines. You can try on custom merch or even play a multi-person game with your friends. It's magical, playful, intuitive, and engaging, and establishes a deeper emotional connection to the brand. After sharing examples of AR in the wild and getting a partner excited about the possibilities, we land at the fourth and final question. How do I get started? This is your opportunity to hold a partner's hand and help them dive into the world of AR. Ultimately, the answer will come down to your unique approach, but we always recommend you use it as an opportunity to discuss three things. First, the brief. Help the partner get to the bottom of the problem they are trying to solve. Second, your process. Explain to a partner how you go about developing world-class AR. And third, timing. Let the partner know realistically when they can expect to start seeing work in market. By talking through these points, you'll get to the bottom of what great AR means for your partner and define tangible next steps. The work isn't done there, though. Success in pitching is not just about winning a new project, but is about starting a collaborative and ongoing relationship. Maintaining and developing those partnerships is where the hard work really lives. My team has spent years learning what enables great partnerships, and I'd like to share 5 of our core principles with you. These principles have been the foundation of our success in creating long-term partnerships that have led to innovative and engaging AR experiences. The first principle is easy to say, but difficult to stick to. Find solutions for problems, not the other way around. When you spend every day working on AR, it's easy to fall into the trap of getting excited by a technical solution and then going to a partner to look for a problem that it can fix. Similarly, when a format or technology is in the zeitgeist, there can be an instinct from partners to apply it to everything. These pitfalls distract from solving real problems with uniquely effective solutions. To avoid this, we ask ourselves 2 simple questions on every project. What is the problem we are trying to solve? And why should the solution exist in augmented reality? Our second principle is art and tech in equal measures. To create AR that will delight brands and their customers, you need to operate at the nexus of creative and technology. Great technology alone is not enough. It's technology married with great design and storytelling that truly moves people. Technology should be the invisible magic behind any experience, and as developers, we can often over-prioritize it. If you can align your experience to how a brand tells stories, you will help them drive results with their consumers and keep them coming back. Our third principle, use process as your platform. In a world where brands are still learning about what AR is and trying to understand how it gets developed, having a clear process can help them get started, get comfortable, and get collaborative. I believe that communication of and adherence to a clear process is the foundation of a partnership that consistently delivers exceptional work. Our fourth principle, easier done than said. Put action over words. Overcomplicating things and moving slowly can stifle partnerships. Therefore, prioritize speed and action in everything you do. Get your work out and into the hands of your partner so that they can experience it for themselves and provide actionable feedback. Putting prototypes in their hands helps them feel like they are a part of the development process and creates a more collaborative relationship. The faster you can learn about how your partner responds to the AR experience that you create, the better those experiences can be. Our fifth and final principle is arguably the most important one. Diversity rules. Embrace it. A diverse team will unlock great work and better equip you to take on the spectrum of problems partners are looking to solve. Diverse backgrounds, perspectives, and expertise will help you bring creativity and technical innovation to your partners. That's all from me for now. I hope this session has helped you answer frequent questions that come up with partners and given you some actionable principles for maintaining and developing world-class partnerships. Ultimately, the growth and success of AR is driven by all of us. We are committed to fueling that growth by continuing to share new technology, inspirational use cases, and insight with this community. And that's why we've shared some of our experience with you today. But this is just the beginning. We'd love you to join the Snap AR Masterclass series we've just launched in the Snap AR Learn Hub. In these brand new expert-led courses, we'll show how you build a world-class business with AR. Together, we can create a world where every surface and screen is a canvas for imagination and creativity.